And we're going to go up the same here, and twist, pops out, and you're going to do your best to reach the screwdriver up and kind of twist at each side, and these clips up here gently pop out. Once you've got the bottom ones out, the top two pop out nice and easy. So if you can appreciate this is how the mirror would look, what you want to do is push that glass up. Obviously it's not connected right now, but what you want to do is push this glass kind of in and up so you've got enough room at the side there. Get your fingers in and you can pull and slide a screwdriver up. See this little line here? And that, when it's connected there, we'll pull that up and you turn and twist as I showed you in the previous clip. Now what I ended up doing was buying a replacement mirror off of eBay, just because the Lexus part was like £700 odd for the glass, just because the Lexus IS has the blind spot in it. So that is the unit here, and you get a nice detail of how it looks with the holding. And this is the mirror itself. As you can see, this is the one that cracked in February. On its own accord, nice frosty day, it cracked, but I really struggled to get one with the blind spot. And those little cables there all click into the cables on the back of the glass here. So as you can see, we've got little bits like pins that kind of clip in, and they're easily to pull out just at a touch of a button with a screwdriver. You can just put a screwdriver in there, pull that, and separate and pull. Nice and easy. They were probably the easiest bit to get out. And what I want to show you here is that's where you're having the kind of clips in terms of the base plate, and that's how it looks on the glass mount itself. Now I've done it once, it's probably going to be easier to ever do it again. This is my first time doing it, and hopefully this video helps you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video on the Lexus IS mirror. As always, give me a like, subscribe to below, comment below if you found this video useful, and I'll see you next video. Ciao.